as one of the first few people who brought you a review of this movie 9 full months ago. I'm going to link that in the description below. Let me start off by saying, told you so. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. अभी मैं LA से लौटी हूँ निखिल नागेश भट्ट की किल देखने के बाद एक बार फिर. I hope you watched some of my interviews from the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles. आज आओ एक बार फिर से हम रिफ्रेश करते हैं कि क्यों ये फिल्म जो बस इस हफ्ते रिलीज हो रही है इंडिया में, अमेरिका में, should be 100% on your schedule this weekend. अमृत इज अ फौजी जो उस ही ट्रेन में सफर कर रहा है जिसमें हिज गर्लफ्रेंड तुलिका इज सवार विद हर फैमिली. प्लान है टू गेट टू द डेस्टिनेशन और अपने चार्म और गुड लुक से या तो तुलिका की फैमिली को मना लेगा या तुलिका को भगा लेगा. हाउएवर, गंतव्य पर पहुंचने से पहले द ट्रेन इज टेकन ओवर बाय डकॉइट्स जिसके सरगना फणी के प्लान्स और अनटेम्ड एंगर की वजह से द डेस्टिनेशन बोथ फॉर द ट्रेन एंड दिस लव स्टोरी आर अनश्योर. The absolute most impressive first thing you notice about Kill is lead actor Lakshay and the fantastic ways he commands the screen. The actor, after a couple of failed launch attempts, seemingly here is fully aware of what is at stake for him. In a film straddling a line between mainstream and indie, he has only but one shot. The beginning of his career hinges on the work he's willing to put in now. Keeping that in mind, Lakshay does not allow himself to falter. Proposing to his girlfriend in a moving train ka toilet, to being consumed by murderous rage, the actor, much like his character Amrit, through the span of the film showcases his ability to go to extreme places to get the results he desires. Next, you've got Raghav Joyal, a seasoned, pakawa performer who delivers one of my favorite performances of the year in this film. Writer-director Nikhil Bhatt told me after the film's Los Angeles premiere that the story in his mind started with Funny, a young boy devoid of hope, working a dead-end job at a petrol pump with no clear path towards riches or upward mobility. And he typed out the rest of the story furiously fueled by his own frustrations during the COVID-19 lockdown. Funny doesn't operate alone. He is surrounded by a gang of goons, including his shot-calling father. और ये लोग सिस्टमैटिकली ट्रेन्स लूटते हैं, शायद कुछ और भी करते हो गैर कानूनी. बट व्हाट सेट्स दिस क्रू अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लाइक्स दैट हैव कम बिफोर इज दैट दे आर ऑल कजिन्स. मेनी ऑफ देम हैव डिस्टिंक्ट पर्सनैलिटीज एंड नेम्स. संजू, बिलास, सिद्धि, and each of them as they fall is mourned by those who remain standing. Yes, even the bad guys. ये सब भाई हैं हमारे, परिवार है, is the continuous refrain as these people fall one by one, each death raising the stakes and making the film feel heavier, more consequential, as Funny's gang is visibly rattled, wondering if the violence is worth it, looking for ways to escape, realizing they've been taken for a ride, pun not intended. The violence in Kill is designed to be max gory. Brain matter, limbs and knives fly around the screen in nearly each shot in the second half. As the viewer, you're required to be moved by this intense display. The film emphasizes that Funny and his cousins are angry and that the emotion has manifested itself in very destructive ways. ये शायद मैं पहले भी पॉइंट आउट कर चुकी हूँ, पर एक सीन में when Funny finds the man he's looking for, the rich bloke जिसको अबडक्ट करके शायद वो बच निकले, the first words that escape his mouth are, अरे मेरे अच्छे दिन. A promise that was made to his generation 10 years ago as he probably stepped into young adulthood. A promise that was never fulfilled as youth like him, which is expected to carry on, wait for good times to come along. Funny himself doesn't quite know how deep his own dissatisfaction goes. He's a regular guy with a regular job. He's a fan of cricket. He makes Virat and Dhoni references, liberally uses catchphrases from pop culture. But after one extra gruesome killing that even his father can't believe he's capable of doing, you realize Funny has undiscovered demons yet to be unleashed. Similarly for Amrit, writer Nikhil Bhatt gives him a sort of sidekick, Commando Viresh, played by Abhishek Chauhan. The twosome take on the goons together. They are both equally skilled and qualified. It is such clever writing कि Funny की तरह ही अमृत को भी नहीं पता कि अकेले जब पड़ जाएगा तो क्या कर जाएगा. What he himself is capable of doing. In a later scene when these two face off, Funny asks Amrit, तुम रक्षक हो या राक्षस? Mirror images of each other, the film is acknowledging that there clearly is a side the film wants the audience to pick. But is there no moral ambiguity here? There is no. How good is the good guy and how bad is the bad guy? इतनी बेरहमी से कौन मारता है बे? Wonders Funny at one point. We are never told what Amrit's background is, but despite him being a commando, Tulika never tells her father about wanting to marry him, so maybe he too comes from a less than fortunate family, like Funny. And maybe if the two of them had met under different circumstances, having picked sort of similar options in life, they might have been friends. The fact that Funny's father, Beni, knows who Tulika's father, Baldeo, is, goes to show that their social circles feature some sort of a Venn diagram somewhere. Parvez Sheikh or Seo Oh ki combined skills in designing the action choreography of Kill are what set this film apart from a Bollywood film like Animal, where the action is decorated with frilly camera angles, celebratory music, stylish slow motion shots, beep rock. Here it's claustrophobic. The narrow alleys of the train are the only setting, the only place for the camera to be is on the ground looking up, as intercuts between two shots matter-of-factly display the aggression, or we're looking at the alleys from the side compartments. Even for the brief bits when you exit the train, everything around is dark. There is some running in the bushes, there's some hanging on the sides, but nothing is ever saying, look how masculine and stylish and strong all of this is. The action, despite its brilliant choreography, is only ever there to highlight how pathetic violence is and how the only path it may lead one down is that of self-destruction. I am very curious to see how an Indian audience will react to this and if Nikhil's message permeates its design. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Kill is 1000 reviews आएंगे इसके आपको बताते हुए how great it is, but remember who brought you the first one. याद रखना तुम 9 महीने पहले. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.